go back. What's up, everybody? Today, Jack, say hi.
Hello.
Jack, come over. Jack, come over. Say hi.
I got it. I got it.
Nice. Jack, say hi.
What's up?
I'm here with the brothers today. We are selling our Pro R and our Turbo R. We've had tons of good times with them, but it's time for them to go. If you're interested, obviously reach out. But as of right now, we're just giving them a cleanse. So we're tearing out the seats. I already tore out the radios and the pumpers. I took off the Assault light mirrors. If you want to buy them and you want to keep the mirrors, that's totally fine. I'll let you have them. One of them has that roof rack. Both of them still have the light bars on them. But anyways, we're just cleaning them today. Maybe doing some hood rat stuff with them once they're clean, just to make sure they're still working. You know, maybe a quick neighborhood test, you know?
That seems nasty.
Jack, what happened to you, bro?
You sprayed me. Well, I can spray you more.
No.
No, I can't. I can't anymore.
All right, hey, where are we going?
Get some cleaner. Cleaner.
Why do we need cleaner?
Because we don't have any.
Do you even know where we go to get something like that?
No. The store.
I want this one.
Okay.
I also just want like a normal cleaner. You see like a normal like.
Normal cleaner.
Yeah. I like this. What do you think?
Me too.
All right, take that. Hey. What do you... Careful. There should be underside right here too. Daisy, so we cleaned all the razors, but the dog somehow got dirtier.
Yeah, so maybe we need to
Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. So, while these guys are working over here, I'm going to tell you the main key differences between the Pro R and the Turbo R. There's a lot of confusion surrounding it, so I figured I could just help you out. First off, let's talk strictly about the size, the outside, right? The Pro R is just a hair bit longer. But to the real naked eye, they're near identical. If I didn't point it out to you, you probably wouldn't even notice it's longer. The other difference is the motor in it. The motor in the Pro R is a naturally aspirated and puts out 225 horsepower. Whereas the Turbo R is the same motor that's in the Pro XP Turbo, which is the older RZR, which is a great motor, but it only puts out like 185 horsepower, but it has a turbo, right? So you're kind of dealing with those two forces of power, the more horsepower or the less horsepower with a turbo. On these things, I have aftermarket doors, they're Pro Armor. I have an aftermarket cage on it. It's HJC. He's a local guy here from Utah, makes a sweet, sweet cage. They both have glass windshields that bolt on and off. They're really nice. And like I said, that one HJC machine actually has a sweet roof rack on it for all sorts of stuff. There's been some customizing going on with these. On the Pro R, I've actually cut the air box filter out, or I've cut the air intake out just a little bit so that I can fit a 33-inch tire in the bed. It doesn't actually cut off any of the airflow. It's literally just a little custom cut. It actually looks factory. But it makes it so you can sit the spare tire in there, you know, without having to buy a rack or anything like that, which is super convenient. On these right now, I have my Method race wheels and my Tensor tires. It's the 33-inch Method tire that they make for UTVs. We were 32 people for a long time, but the 33s are just that much better for obvious reasons, right? Also, side note, having some kiddos to help you out with some cleaning is a good move, for sure. I'm not planning on selling these with my Tensors and Methods. I actually have the stock tires that I bought with the machines, and I never drove on them, so they're brand new. If obviously you want the upgraded tires, then we can talk about that. If I'm selling them and the guy wants the upgraded tires, like, we can negotiate that. You know, I'm not glued to them, obviously. I end up getting new ones fairly frequently, but not as frequent as you think. You know, the Tensors and Methods actually last a super long time. Lots of them, I've worn them out to 100% bald before I even popped them. Anyways, I got my brothers out here. This is a little family bonding activity. It's snowmobiling season, so it's time to let the RZRs go. So they're for sale. No, keep it crank, crank the other way. No, other way. There you go. Hold it, no, hold it there. Keep going a little bit. Straight out. Just straight, not straight. Up, keep going. Keep going. Perfect. Okay, close this garage. Tag, how's it coming over here?
Good.
Are you sure?
Got it in.
Nice. Okay, throw it in the garage. Jack, go dump that out. Don't get too close to that. Good.
Did they usually do the fireworks?
Oh yeah, is there a firework in there?
That's something in there. I can see it.
Dump it out into my hand. Oh yes.
What is that?
It's a firework.
It's a bomb.
Yeah, let me put it back in there. All right, let's hide this away for now. All right, close the garages and let's go get some food. Now, Jack, come over here. Say hey. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
No, so say hey.
Hey.
Go ahead.
Hey, thanks for watching.
Say tune in later.
Tune in later.
Love you guys. How's it going over there?
Great.
Stargazing in the sky, baby, feeling alright. You coming over right. If I ever told you